Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see Indian Glycols Limited Q4 results. And friends, previously multiple times the negative updates came on Indian Glycol, but friends, we are positive on this company. Still, also after they sell their one of the subsidiary, and they going to manufacture, like planning for an joint venture with the Clariet. Those all things were passed away, and the share performed very well in recent times. And if you observe here, the revenue decreased 1%, but net profit increased 138%, and EPS also increased 138% in Q3 to Q4 of this year. And on quarter performance of last year to this year also very good, like top side 19% improvement and net profits 296% improvement is there. And if you observe like year to year basis, 4% and bottom side 14 and 14% improvement is there. So one thing which we are going to see is Indian Glycol approved dividend also 6 rupees. And friends, the company also planning to raise funds. In their meeting they announced like nearly 200 crores, I think friends. And friends, we already know that Indian Glycol forming a JV with Clariant for bioethanol business. So this going to complete in coming year. That means coming quarterly years. And they mentions see here, 49-51% joint venture with Clariant, which is a chemical related company, Clariant. And friends, they are planning business expansion also will be done, because this Clariant having local industrial and consumer specialty businesses in India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal. So, likewise, we can expect good expansion of this joint venture business between these two companies in future. Uh, that's the main reason. And see, in cheap and best 10 sugar related stocks, this Indian glycol company also there. If you observe here, uh, at all here in list, see friends here. So Clariant and Indian Glycols taps into green renewable mega trend. So this company will going to benefit in future on this ethylene oxide derivatives. So, so friends, it's going to be a good thing in near future by making like good business for future business. So friends, this is my view on Indian glycols. And if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel friends. Thank you.